Did you know where China's earliest interchange bridge is located? It is here, at the Temple of Heaven. This is the Danbi Bridge, also known as Red Stairway Bridge, Danbi Qiao.
Stretching 360 meters long and 29 meters wide, the bridge runs from north to south. Its southern end is slightly elevated, while the northern end rises more than 4.5 meters above the ground. This design creates the sensation of ascending to the heavens as Emperor walks towards the altar of prayer for good harvests, symbolizing his journey to meet the God of Heaven. The Danbi Bridge connects the Chengzhen Gate, Chengzhen Men, of the circular mount altar in the south, to the Nanzhuan Gate, Nanzhuan Men, of the altar of prayer for good harvests in the north, forming the central axis of the Temple of Heaven. If you look closely, you will notice 3 paths. Which one did the emperor take? During ceremonies, the middle path, called the Shendao, was reserved for the gods. The eastern path, known as Imperial Road, Yulu, was for the emperor, while the western path, the Royal Road, Wangdao, was for princes and the ministers. You might wonder why it's also called the interchange bridge.
Look here, there is a passage beneath the bridge. What is used for? Let's have a look.
During the Ming and Qing dynasties, this was a route used to transport sacrificial animals from the sacrificial herding place, 牺牲所, to the animal sacrifice pavilion, 宰牲亭. The 2 routes, one above for the emperor and one below for the animals, earned it the name interchange bridge. However, it wasn't exactly a pleasant journey for the animals.
Now, let's continue to the altar of prayer for good harvest, 祈年殿.
If the Forbidden City represents China, this iconic structure could symbolize Beijing. It's a true masterpiece of ancient Chinese architecture. Can you feel its grandeur? Standing before you is the tallest building in ancient China, rising 38.10 meters from its base to its pinnacle, 3 meters taller than the Hall of Supreme Harmony in the Forbidden City. Its triple-layer roof, covered in glistening blue glazed tiles, gave it a sacred and mysterious aura. But did you know it didn't always look like this? When Emperor Yongle Huangdi first built the altar in 1420, it was a square, double-eave hippo roof structure called the Hall of Great Sacrifice, 大祀殿, used for worshipping both the God of Heaven and Earth. In 1530, Emperor Jiajing Huangdi expanded the complex, building the circular mount altar to the south and transforming this hall into a round, 3-tiered structure. He renamed it the Hall of Great Enjoyment, 大享殿, and gave it a multicolored roof, blue on top, yellow in the middle, and green at the bottom. The final transformation came during the reign of Emperor Qianlong Huangdi, who replaced all the tiles with sky blue ones, creating the stunning structure we see today.
The emperor would come here in early springtime, usually in January, to perform the rituals. Now, let's step closer and take a look inside.
Do you see the massive golden pillars? This hall is supported by a 3-ring column grid, each with its own symbolic significance. The 4 central pillars, known as Longjing columns, 龙井柱, are adorned with vermilion lacquer and gold-decorated 宝相 patterns, 宝相花. They represent the 4 cardinal directions, east, south, west, and north, symbolizing the 4 seasons. The 12 middle pillars, called golden columns, 金柱, represent the 12th month of the year. Together with the 12 days they create, they also signify the 24 solar terms. The 12 altar pillars, known as eaves columns, 檐柱, divide the space further to represent the 12 traditional hours of the day, each equivalent to the 2 modern hours. The hall is adorned with intricate dragon and phoenix paintings, both inside and out. At the center of the ceiling is a stunning dragon and phoenix caisson, a 3-tiered circular design that diminishes in size as it rises. The floor is paved with moxa blue stone, 艾叶青石, featuring a central marble stone with a natural pattern resembling a dragon and phoenix. This is known as a dragon and phoenix stone, 龙凤石. Legend has it that the stone originally displayed only a phoenix pattern, while the ceiling featured a dragon. Over time, the dragon and phoenix fell in love, and the dragon would often descend to meet the phoenix. One day, during a ceremony, Emperor Jiajing knelt on the stone, trapping the dragon there forever. Today, you can see both the dragon and phoenix together on the stone. The ceremony here follows the same 9-step process as the one at the circular mount altar.
The tablets used in the ritual are stored in the hall of Imperial Danis, Huangqiandian, located to the north of the altar. Now let's take a quick look.
We've mentioned sacrificial items and animals several times, but where were they prepared and what did they look like? To find out, let's visit the divine kitchen. Stay tuned.